Hey there, I'm Lesley Myrick, design media personality, professional interior designer, and business coach. As the CEO of Lesley Myrick Interior Design based in Macon, Georgia, I've made it my mission to infuse personality, playfulness, and functionality into the homes of professional families across Middle Georgia and beyond. Picture this, your forever home that isn't just a house, but a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. At Lesley Myrick Interior Design, we design dream homes for professional families seeking that perfect blend of function and fun. Our clients are medical professionals, attorneys, executives, and business owners who are established in their careers and ready to celebrate their professional successes at home. We specialize in turnkey, multi-room interior design projects that blend classic design principles with a fresh perspective on Southern design. And we are not just another design firm. We become your personal design concierge. Serving only a select few clients in the Macon and Atlanta areas each year, we prioritize quality over quantity, ensuring that every project receives our utmost attention and care. So if you're ready to turn your house into a forever home that reflects your unique personality and celebrates your achievements, inquire today to start your design project at lesleymyrick.com.